Hey guys, Dr. Sterling here. I wanted to just check in with all of you. I know a lot of our states are starting to reopen, so I've been getting a lot of questions in regards to how do I go about this? How do I feel safe? So just a few tips, and I hope this helps. So for sure, it's still smart to maintain your social distance with anybody who you haven't seen in a while, strangers, anything like that, whenever is possible or you're able to do so. I know it may not be possible at all times, but it's important to do your best. And if you do have a reason to get a gathering together, for one, try to keep it smaller on the smaller side. But if you do, I would encourage to try to have it outdoors, because for one, you're able to have the space a lot easier instead of inside an apartment or a house. Also, they showed that the sun is able to actually kill the half-life of the virus in under 2 minutes, which is awesome. So if it is on any of the surfaces and it's directly in the sun, in under 2 minutes, you're able to reduce that half-life. So that's awesome. You're also getting your vitamin D. So this is kind of a win-win. So if you're able to do that, I would encourage that type of a gathering. And then also just a tip is to maintain your awareness of other people at this time. So I'm gonna call it like a social responsibility. There are some people that are just a bit more freaked out. Either they have a health condition or like a family member who has one, or they themselves aren't the healthiest. Either way, not everybody is reacting the same to this whole coronavirus, quarantine, everything like that. So just respect other people in regards to how they are handling it. If they need a bit more space, if they want you to step away or clean something, then just go, sure, no problem. I think that will help all of us to keep our anxiety a bit lower and just to get back into our society a little bit easier. Another thing, smart, is to continue to wash your hands. I know we already all have been doing it, but continue to do that. That is extremely smart. A little tip that I picked up as I go out is I just get a wipe, like a bacterial wipe, and I've just been having that in my hand as I grab things. So not only am I cleaning things for other people, but I'm also able to grab things and I'm not actually touching it with my own hands. So I know that, I'm not having an issue, and then I'm like, I don't have a bathroom to wash my hands. So that's a great little tip. Hopefully a couple of you can use that. The other thing is to keep in mind that it is important to make your health a priority. I'm going to continue to talk about this because it is what I do. It's what I tell all my patients every day. I make health a priority myself, and I want everybody in my family and my friends to do so also, because now I think we're having a great awakening of health, because those who are healthy are able to fare a little bit better. And there are a couple things that you're able to do. So you're able to continue to eat well, you're able to continue to exercise, and you're able to continue to boost your immune system. So with chiropractic, I'm able to help your immune system, to help your body able to function a bit more optimally. You can eat a lot better, which helps your innate immune system. There's also a ton of different ways that you're able to boost your immune system with exercise, some supplements, even just getting out in the sun. So all of those are helpful. I'm here to help you guys to attain that health. And then also, I just want you to keep in mind that the coronavirus, it's not like a hurricane where it comes in, causes all this havoc, and then it's gone. It's gonna be here. It's now in our society, it's in our population, just like the seasonal flu is. We have to learn how to function as a society and as an economy with this in our life. So that will cause a few things to change. We might be having to wear our masks and all this other stuff. That's also like another tip that I may not have touched on, but it's a good tip to wear your mask. I know if you plan to travel, a lot of airlines are having all the passengers have their masks, so it's always smart to just have a couple of those on hand. But we have to learn how to function at this point as a society and an economy intellectually, to intellectually reopen and to make sure that we're able to get our economy up and going again in a safe way, with the respect of other people and in the healthiest way possible. So I hope all this was helpful. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm here to answer any of your questions. And again, stay healthy, stay happy.